just because people think that something's real doesn't mean that it is. Truth and perception, reality and perception are not the same thing. Look at history, indeed modern times, and see how many things, how many concepts that people believed were real and they turned out not to be. Just because you believe something doesn't mean it's true. From that perspective, reality is simple. You look through your eyes and your eyes see an external reality which is solid and out there, and that's it. But in fact, that's not the case. We don't see reality, we decode it. Everything in this reality is waveform information. The body, everything, waveform information. And what the five senses do is decode that waveform into the illusion of apparent physicality. So if you look at how the five senses work, they take waveform information, they turn it into electrical information, they communicate that to the brain, and the brain decodes that into an apparent physical reality, actually a holographic reality, as I'll come to. So, if you take a simple example of that, which is the hearing senses, as I'm speaking now, I'm generating from my vocal cords a waveform information field. My hearing senses pick that up, sound waves. They turn them into an electrical signal which they communicate to the brain, and only when the brain decodes that do I hear the words, do I hear sound. So everything in this reality is waveform. That's the foundation.